Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 20-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here a line of any length. So first draw a line. Next, pointing here to draw 20-degree angle. Now putting the protractor on the line perfectly. So first putting the protractor on the line perfectly. Now counting this angle. So this is 20. So this is 20 degree. Okay. Now joining this to get 20-degree angle. Okay, so we got 20-degree angle. So this is P, Q and R. So angle PQR equal to 20 degree. Therefore angle PQR equal to 20 degree. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks.